Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fun and Learn with Ayush, and I am Ayush and I am here to do the unboxing of BYJU'S course from class 8 to 10th. So there are total 2 packets. I have got 1 packet, so let's start this video without wasting our time. So first of all we have to cut this. So I have now cut it from one side. So see what we have got from this box. Okay. So we have got one box of BYJU'S and here is the bag. You can see. You can use it for your daily use. Now you can see here. BYJU'S has given us some type of stickers. And here are some samples. You can see, you can read it. These are the badges which you can put or paste it in your bag. These are some type of stickers. And it is the installation instructions. Now here is the main thing. That is the tablet from which you can start your learning process. So here's the main thing, that's the tablet from which you can start your learning process. Its model is Lenovo Tab M10 HD. As you can see here that this tab contains premium metal designs, powerful octa-core chip, dual speakers, and 8 megapixel rear camera and plus 5 megapixel front camera. So let's open this box. So this is the tablet. So let's unbox this box. So it is a user manual. You can read it for your safety, and it is the pin through which you can insert the SIMs in your tablet. BYJU'S has also given us one charger to charge this tablet, as you can see here. Now let's unbox this tablet. See what we have got here. This is the tablet. As you can see, this is its screen. This is its camera. And this is a type of speaker. Okay, so this is the grey colored metallic body of this tablet. It has dual speakers, as you can see. One speaker is here and another one is here. So now let's open this tablet. See. Let's open this and let us try to do some type of activities. Yes. As you can see here, it contains many types of apps such as YouTube Kids, Play Store, and the main thing is that BYJU'S Premium. As we open this app, you can see that everything is inbuilt here. Our name can come on the top of the screen, and the subject is visible at the bottom of the screen. You can open any subject from which you can start your learning. There are many types of chapters through which you can learn. as mathematics, there are many subjects such as maths, physics, chemistry, bio, history, geography, civics, and competitive exams, mock and previous year's paper. Yes. So we got in this course. Okay. So in this course from class 8 to 10, we got a type of bag on which here you can see that here is the type of BYJU'S symbol. We got a tablet and a greeting card that is looking very beautiful, as you can see here. This is a user manual of BYJU'S classes. Hello friends, this is my second parcel, and in this box it contains books from class 8. So let's open this box. Okay. Okay. So now I have opened the box. So let's see that what it contains. As you can see, there are some books. It is a science subject. These books are for learning and these books are for practice. Okay, so it contains two sets of books. The first is for practice. See, it is volume 1, it is volume 2, and for maths it is volume 1 and it is volume 2. You can practice it in these books. And okay, so for learning it contains two subjects, science and math. It is science of volume 1, then it's volume 2, then it is volume 3. Now for subject maths also, to learn it is volume 1, then volume 2, then volume 3. You can start your learning with the help of these books. So as you watched in this video that I got two parcels. The first, as I have shown you earlier, and the second parcel was that it contains two set of books. The first is for practicing and the second one is for learning. So now yet I have not started learning, but in the further videos I will discuss my experience with you.